Hey everyone, we're gonna have a little short video today. But yeah, hello and welcome back to another video with eBoogie. And I've just finished a puzzle. I'm puzzle master.
I want to go to the beach today. Come with me so we can play.
Okay, yeah, we get it. Now let's give me tickets. Only one. That's reasonable. It always gives us one. Always only gives us one. So, alright. 4 seasons for me. So is there going to be a pad with seasons on it? Seasons? Okay. I was bloody wrong. So yeah. And blue. Now the yellow. Blue. Now red. And red. And green. And orange. And beige. Is that even beige? Okay, it is. And purple. And then the brown. Then we color the little boat red. Then I color the ocean. Oh, I colored everything red. Well, that's no. I forgot the summer part. I forgot the sun and the part that says summer. Favorites. Puzzle summer jigsaw puzzle. Here's a jigsaw puzzle doing now. And this is our again 1, 2, 3. Only took 3 seconds. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. And there's 4 pieces and only took 3 seconds. Alright. What's next? Why broke me on? What's next? 1 palms. Whatever. What's going up next?
Sun.
Oh. What? What are we doing? Oh. Whoa. That's cool. So we can use some yellow right here. It's like a crayon. I'm using a pen though. How is a marker? I would rather the pen. This is called a felt tip. Oh, not the white one. There he is. This is more sandy. Okay. So this video is probably only gonna have 5 more minutes of it. So yeah. Cause I have to leave in an hour. So well now 58 minutes. I'm saving this. I worked hard on it. It's saved and added to favorites. Go shopping. I don't want to shop. I don't want to shop. I'ma wait until I get 10,000 tickets and I'ma shop again. Activity. Terrific. Click on the next activity. I'm personal jigsaw puzzle. Ooh, it's an August jigsaw puzzle. August is warm and cold sometimes. August. Yeah, but soon they're gonna die, cause soon it's gonna be cold. I gotta add it. They made the perfect poem for it. They made the perfect poem. Ooh. I got 2 prizes. Sportsman. I shall get. I really want this. Do I want dolphin or do I want that? I would say the dolphin. I want both. I bought a dolphin. This isn't even supposed to go in your aquarium? What a disaster. Oh. I'm so hot. Oh, hot. Ah, pre-K. Oh, it's a book. I'm not in pre-K, I'm in 2nd grade now. I used to be in 1st grade, and now I'm in 2nd grade. But dude, Boo! Boo! I don't care about these pre-grade. Ugh. Well, what if they took in 3 minutes and 3 seconds? Is now the end. I didn't need no PK. Because I skipped, they only gave me 1 ticket. How inconsiderate. Oh. Activity. I said activity. Activity. I said activity. Oh. What? Castle. Wait, what the? Oh, A. Oh, it's one of these. Suck. Any more A's? Any more? No? Okay, go. Oh, this is all it's going to be go. Now that's in. Ooh. Me. Wait a second, I forgot one. Me. It's all about me. It's never about you. It's never about me. It's always about you. That's a nice castle. I've got my own castle now. I don't want to shop. That is a huge ticket. Look how much tickets are in my basket though. Only 1? Let me continue. Okay guys, that's pretty much gonna have to wrap up this short video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye. I gotta go.